Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, we had a push up to a higher high. New highs on the continuation chart on the September contract. It's still 67.75 is your high. Basically what you've seen, I'll back this out for a second, is you got a higher low here, followed by a higher high. Here's your Christmas low. They tried it for a few days here, took it up. This was their chance. This was the bear's chance right here. This little lower high versus here that they then took to a lower low versus this, but then they gave it all up. So the bulls are back in control. Unless the bears are going to really find their car keys here, it's not too hard to get to 3,000 from here. It's really not hard. You got the upper band up at 29.82. It's not all that hard, guys. It's not all that hard. It is what it is. I know it sounds crazy. So to 2,000, and we've been here for a long time now. Hourly chart, just to compress you what we have here. So weekly pivot. That made its decision on Monday, Tuesday, right? And then what do you get? What do we always talk about? Directional days into the end of the week. If we continue to get a directional day here today, then you're going to see a higher high. We should make a new all-time high today and push higher. If the bears want to come back and retest this higher low down at 35.75, then when it gets down there, the bulls are going to have to defend it. They're going to have to perform. So we've consolidated overnight. You've got volume weighted average price 54.5 right here with your hourly mid band. Our proprietary moving average is basically 54. 5-minute mid band is 53. So that entire area, call it 52 to 55, is going to be the key buffer zone off of the open. You've got news that can move this thing. You got China, Iran, the whole deal. So 52 to 55 off the open, long above, short below. Watch the 35 on the down. And if we go to the upside with any kind of velocity at all, we should make new all-time highs today. All right, take care, trade them well. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.